Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Peter picks a 3-digit number and subtract it from the same number after reversing order of its digit. If this difference is divided by 9, find the remainder. Let the number, that 3-digit number, be 100x plus 10y plus z. So after reversing the number, it will be 100z plus 10y plus x. So difference of the number be that original number, we considered it as 100x plus 10y plus z, and after reversing it is 100z plus 10y plus x. So here 100 minus 1 into x plus 10 minus 10 into y plus 1 minus 100 into z. So it is 99x minus 99z. If we take 99 common, so there will be x minus z in a bracket. Hence, difference of any 3-digit number with its reverse number is, we can observe here, it is exact product of 9. That is, it is divisible by 9. That is divisible by 9. Hence, remainder is always be 0, as it is exactly divisible by 9. So remainder should be 0. Hence, remainder always be 0. So our answer is 0, which is option C.